So this question says to firstly find the derivative of this function. So to do that I'm going to use the power rule on each individual term. So that will give me 2x minus 4. And then it says to find places where the function is, so find where the function has a gradient that's positive, that is where is the function increasing. And we have to find where the derivative is less than 0, that is where is the function decreasing. And then where is the gradient of the function equal to 0, that is where is it stationary. So that's what we're asked to find. Now I've got the derivative, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the class pad and show you how to do inequalities on here. So in my main screen, just clear this out, I'm going to start by typing in my function, which is 2x minus 4. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go action, I'm going to go interactive advanced solve that equation for it to be greater than 0 is what we want for the variable x, and it says here that that happens when x is greater than 2. I'll do that for the next bit. So basically I'm going to use exactly the same screen that I've got set up, but change my inequality from being greater than to less than, and we'll see here that I get now that x is less than 2. And then I can also solve for where that equals 0. If I delete that to equals, and then I get x equals 2. So we can see that that is the interesting point. That's where things are happening. I can evaluate now the function at that point. So I'm going to put 2 into here. So I've got 2 squared is 4, minus 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3. So 8 and 3 is 11, so that's 4, minus 8 is minus 4, plus 3 is minus 1. So I can see that the interesting point is at the point 2 minus 1. And now I need to sketch that. So what I'll do is I'll do that over the side here. So let's look at the point 2 minus 1, so that's going to be around here somewhere. And now we can see that for x greater than 2, that's on this side, it is increasing. So it's increasing up to this point, so we're going to go this way. We can also see that it's decreasing on this side. And that it's stationary at that point. So it looks a little bit like that. At x equals 0 we can see that that's the point 3. And there we have, that's just that sketch using the notion of gradients and derivatives.